I'm Mikheil Saakashvili. I've been president of my country, Georgia, for 9 years. I've also been one of very few politicians that succeeded to be politician in 2 countries. I was a governor of the most strategic region of Ukraine and top-tier Ukrainian politician. And I'm still active in politics of those 2 countries and of the region. On my watch, Georgia's economy has quadrupled. My country was the world's #1 economic reformer according to the World Bank for 5 consecutive years. We created some of the world's best performing systems of deregulation, bureaucracy. We had the world's fastest transactions, the world's most efficient customs, and many of the things that were kind of source of inspiration for many people in the world. And I'm recording this video to support the new project, Finolog. This is a very bold initiative, brought in by very interesting people. And that's serves the idea of of banking decentralization and of mutual crediting of small and medium-sized businesses of each other. The idea is very interesting because banking system is old-fashioned. They're frankly quite useless considering what today's challenges are. Banks often decline to finance and to support small and medium-sized businesses, especially small businesses, because they are in their own big projects, and that's very much an old-fashioned medieval institution. Basically, in today's blockchain technologies, there is no need for banks. What is bank? Bank is present when there is no mutual trust. When 2 different actors in the market, in the financial world, don't trust each other and they need third guarantor in order to make a transaction. Blockchain enables to replace bank by basically something that is much cheaper, much cheaper, and much more trustworthy. And that's exactly what Finolog does. That's the future of financial world. That's the future of economy. Economy is people help each other. One business helps another, then they mutually credit each other, they promote each other, they advance together, they succeed together, and the world is a better place to live in. And so, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not paid for my promotion of this Finolog thing, but the idea is, I really like the idea, I love the idea. I think other people should also generate the same things, and I think we should get rid of old banking system, which has frankly become a brake to the economy, and lift the world from poverty much faster, from problems much faster. And that's how we do it through blockchain, new technologies. And you don't need to be technically savvy to understand the idea. It's not about how it works, it's about what the end result is. And the end result is that credit is much more accessible for much wider people, and it's much cheaper, and it makes you succeed faster. And that's what Finolog does. So I fully subscribe to the idea, and I call on you to do the same.